Alright guys, so as you can see, I have gone ahead and finished up my exhibition space. So I decided that I wanted to tie in all of the colors that I used, which were the orange and the yellow, kind of pink and purple, blue, and then the black and the gold. So I left this wall white because it had a lot of those colors already, but since this wall only had the pink and the black and the gold, I decided that I would use the orange in my flower here so that it tied in the orange over here. And then I went ahead and did the wall yellow to tie in the yellow that was here. So if you're looking at it, you really kind of have all those same colors sprinkled all over in my exhibition space. And that, to me, made it look kind of like it all went together. So it coordinates. It doesn't have to match, but it does coordinate, which is what a curator of an exhibition would do. So our next steps today are to go ahead and make this flat piece of paper into a three-dimensional room. So to do that, I'm actually going to start by folding my paper. So I'm going to take the bottom of my paper and I'm going to fold it up, and I'm going to fold it right on this line. So I'm actually going to fold it this way so I can see, and I know you can't see me, but I'm poking my head in here to make sure that I'm on my black line. Okay, so I'm just checking to make sure I'm on that black line all the way across. And then when I open it back up, you can see how it stands. And it was right on that line, right on that black line. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm actually going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut on this line, just to there. So I'm just taking this line and cutting it until it hits the one that crosses it, so that you have your big piece, your small piece are separate, but it still is together here. Then I'm going to fold this over, and again I'm folding on this line, on that black line right there for my wall. So I'm just going to squish it. That one's a little bit easier to fold. So now you can see what's going to happen. We're going to tuck our X underneath, and we're going to put some glue there. And now we have a three-dimensional exhibition. Isn't that amazing? So easy and so fun. So I'm going to take my glue. We don't want puddles. We're just going to put a few dots. And you will probably have to hold this together for a couple minutes. We're going to tuck that X underneath our floor, just like that. And I'm just going to hold it and press for a couple seconds to make sure that glue is good and stuck. And I also like to just kind of pinch my folds again so that they make nice corners. There you go. How about that? We have our three-dimensional art exhibition. Pretty amazing, right? Yay!